The caps are your cut-off saw's feet. The rubber feet will wear over time and tear off or fall off. Replacing a cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old cap from the saw. I'll pry the old cap away from the base. To install the new cap, I just insert it into the hole. And that's how simple it is to replace the cap on your cutoff saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.